Belmont Research Station has been a significant centre for beef genetics research in the north for more than half a century. In fact, the Belmont Red was developed here and first registered as a breed in 1969. I'm now joined by Rob Young, Property Manager for Belmont Research Station, and Nick Corbett, one of the blokes who runs the male fertility program, which is one of the major projects being run here. Rob, if I can start with you, what's the significance of the Belmont Research Station?
Belmont's a facility that's used by CSIRO as their contribution to the MLA-funded fertility projects. It provides cattle, tropically adapted cattle, to those research projects, looking at both female and male fertility. The females that are involved in the project have 6 months left in terms of their productive capacity in that project, and the males are currently in the final phase.
And Nick, you're involved with the male fertility program. Tell me about that.
Fertility itself is a difficult trait to measure. It's a combination of both cow and bull, fertilisation, pregnancy, gestation, all those things, as well as the environment and nutrition take part. The problem at the moment is that producers only have, as far as bull fertility is concerned, only have one trait, and that's scrotal circumference. It's a good trait, but that's all we have. What we're trying to do here is identify traits that might be closer related to fertility or lifetime reproduction in the cow herd, in the whole population, measurable on bulls, and that's what we're all about, is fine-tuning that. Some of the traits we've been concentrating on are novel traits like blood hormones at branding and weaning, your standard traits of weights and body condition, and we're also looking at collecting ejaculates at 12, 18 months and 2-year-old to look at sperm morphology and sperm traits.
What sort of results are you seeing?
To date, we're seeing some of the preliminary results show that all the traits we've been measuring on these young bulls are heritable, so there's a degree of genetic control there, so we can actually improve these traits if we need to. Whether you improve them or not depends on their genetic correlation with other traits, especially lifetime reproduction.
So how's all that info going to help producers?
We're looking to more accurately identify superior animals for the breeding herd, and that if we can do that at an early age, then the less bulls we need to have around prior to selection, and hopefully end up with cost-effective improvement in branding rates.
Thanks very much for speaking to us here on Feedback TV.
Thanks, Jane.